We'll be seeing this. We're going to maneuver towards the front this time.
If it gets lower and lower.
Nyte Walkers. I've come to talk with you again.
The category is dance or die.
Nyte Walkers.
And you dig it.
Okay, do you see that background?
And as I pointed out, this is absolutely the best show, period. Do you agree?
Watch me up in up the place. Wanna see you bumping, baby, bouncing to the bass. Talking, don't go home, there's that.
The category is dance or die.
It was a lot of fun.
That background looked like, it wasn't AI, it looked like someone just learned how to animate. No, the witch was funny. I was like,
Oh yeah. So here we are.